Hey there, and welcome to a new video series that I'm calling Point of Order. A point of order in a meeting is a chance for a member to raise an issue of concern or ask a question, all related to meeting procedures. It's used to immediately interrupt a meeting to point out when a member thinks that a meeting rule has been violated, the rules aren't being correctly applied, and the question is put to the chair to make a ruling on whether the thing that the member was concerned about is really breaching meeting rules, or whether the member was mistaken or is using the point of order as a means to get a point across that isn't related to the rules. So the chair will rule as to whether the point of order is well taken, meaning that the member was right and something needs to be fixed, or that the point of order was not well taken, meaning that the member was either mistaken or there was an error some way or the other. And that's the approach that we're going to use here in this video series. So we're going to take a question or a concern or an article, a blog, something out there in the world that argues a point, and we're going to discuss it in a little bit of detail and figure out what the implications are of this person's point of order, and we're going to make a ruling on whether the question, the assertion is well taken or not well taken. So it's just a fun little way to look at some parliamentary procedural issues and commentary that's out there in the world. I hope that you'll follow along, but more than that, I hope that you'll have some points of order to make along the way. And when you do, drop them in the comments, and maybe we can make a point of order video about something you would like to see. So, point of order. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Meeting adjourned. Now why not check out one of these two videos, and I'll see you next time.